Hey, Ron here from the Fair Plumber. So here we are doing a job in Elmhurst, Illinois. Basically, we're putting in a inlet. There was a floor drain outside which took care of the driveway drainage. However, that was compromised and had to be replaced. Customer opted just to replace the entire section of pipe leading to the cistern. So here my guys, they're busting out the concrete, removing the grass, digging down to the old pipe, and once they remove the old pipe, they're putting in the inlet. That's a heavy-duty concrete inlet that we're putting in, heavy-duty piping. This way, in the wintertime, if it freezes, it's not going to break. And there it is. Pipe is in place. We are now going to come with gravel. They are starting on the grass section. They're going to be putting back the soil there and putting back the grass. We try to save the old grass if possible. If not, we throw down some grass seed for you. But here we are filling up gravel on the concrete portion. Customer opted to get their concrete guys out to redo the concrete. So there it is. There's the inlet. It's heavy duty, torrential rains, voila.